Hello, my fellow PRINCE2 certificate holders. This is a very important message to remind you that PRINCE2 is a big deal in project management. It is an undisputed heavyweight in the world of project management, and its influence in the United Kingdom, specifically in London, is undeniable. But its reach extends far beyond this island nation. Here's why PRINCE2 is such a big deal, backed by some impressive stats. First of all, global recognition. It's used in over 150 countries, from government projects to private ventures. PRINCE2 is a common language understood around the globe. There are thousands of certified professionals, watch this, over 1 million individuals hold PRINCE2 certifications, highlighting its widespread adoption. And it is the top choice for governments. Over 50% of UK government projects utilize PRINCE2, showcasing its proven track record in public sector initiatives. Talking about the benefits and impact, increased project success rates. Studies have shown that PRINCE2 projects have a 67% success rate compared to the industry average of 52%. Talking about improved cost and resource management, organizations implementing PRINCE2 report an average of 12% cost savings and 10% improvement in resource utilization. When it comes to enhanced communication and collaboration, the structured approach of PRINCE2 fosters smoother communication and collaboration with project teams. Let's talk about demand and career value. This is where people might miss it. There is a high demand for PRINCE2 professionals, and organizations actively seeking PRINCE2 certified individuals make it a valuable asset for career advancement. When it comes to competitive salaries, my friends, PRINCE2 certification can lead to a 5 to 15% increase in salary compared to non-certified project managers. When it comes to lifelong learning and adaptability, PRINCE2's principles are adaptable to various methodologies and industries, providing a strong foundation for continuous learning and career growth. Beyond the numbers, PRINCE2 isn't just about statistics. It's about building trust and confidence in project execution. Its focus on control, planning, and risk management creates a predictable and efficient environment, minimizing surprises and maximizing success. In conclusion, my friends, PRINCE2 is a big deal, especially in London, England, and in the UK, but its impact extends far beyond geographical boundaries. I remember going to an interview up in DHL in Scottsdale, Arizona, far from the United Kingdom, and the interviewer was PRINCE2 certified. So, I had an awareness of PRINCE2 way back in 2003 when I went for that interview. I bombed the interview, by the way. I realized I needed to know a lot more about project management. And since then, not only have I gotten PRINCE2 certified, I have become an advocate for project management education across the board. Backed by strong statistics and the experiences of countless professionals, it's a powerful tool for organizations and individuals seeking to navigate the complex world of project management with clarity and success. So if you are a PRINCE2 holder, any level of PRINCE2, I want you to be proud of yourself. I want you to understand that you can be a change agent, but you have to start off with yourself and then teach, mentor, and help others find the way. Help them understand projects in controlled environments. Take care, my friends, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.